Dear customer, let me introduce the copper nozzle of handheld laser welding machine for you. Nozzle C is for no wear welding for outer corner. Nozzle AS12 is for butt joint, corner joint, and lip joint. Well feeding welding 0.8 to 1.2 mm. Nozzle BS16 is for butt joint, corner joint, and lip joint. 1.6 mm well feeding welding. Nozzle CS12 is for butt joint, outer corner joint, 0.8 to 1.2 mm well feeding welding. Nozzle ES12 is for butt joint, outer corner joint, 0.8 to 1.2 mm well feeding welding. Nozzle FS16 is for butt joint, outer corner joint, 1.6 well feeding welding. Nozzle AS12 is for butt joint, corner joint, and lip joint, 2 mm well feeding welding. This is a box of common used copper nozzle. We will send it to you with the machine. Thank you for your watching.